So good morning to everyone. In the last class we have seen the LPC 2148 features. So in this class we are going to see about the pin descriptions about ARM LPC 2148. There are 64 pins in ARM LPC 2148. So totally it will be divided into two ports, port 0 and port 1. So the next hardware requirements of LPC 2148, minimum below the list hardware to work properly: power supply, crystal oscillator, reset circuit, RTC crystal oscillators, UART. Okay, so these are all the architecture of LPC 2148. It having the ADC, DSC, stepper motor, and SPA and UART pin configuration, real-time clock, watchdog timers, and the LPC 2148 contains ARM7 TDMA IC and some AMBA bus, advanced microprocessor bus architectures, and phase lock loop, PLL0 and PLL1, and crystal oscillators XTEL1 and XTEL2. So these are all the architectures about an LPC 2148 architectures. So the architectural overview, the key idea behind the thumb is that of a super reduced instruction set. Essentially, we are having the ARM7 TDMI processor, that is a 32-bit ARM set and a 16-bit thumb instruction set. The thumb set's 16-bit instruction set length allows it to approach twice the density of standard ARM code while retaining most of the ARM's performance advantages over a traditional 16-bit processor using 16-bit registers. So this is a possible because thumb code operates on the same 32-bit register set as ARM code. Next one is on-chip flash program memory. So LPC 2148 consists of 32 KB and 64 KB and 128 KB and 256 KB flash memory respectively. So the memory may be used for both code and data storage. So the programming of a flash memory may be accomplished in a several way. It may be programmed in the system via serial port. The application program may also erase or program the flash memory while the application is running, allowing a great degree of flexibility for a data storage, field, firmware, and upgrade. So due to the architectural solution chosen, on-chip bootloader flash memory available for users code on LPC 2148, 32, 64, 128, 256 KB. The LPC 2148 having flash memory provides a minimum of 1 lakh erase and write cycles and 20 years of data retention. The next one is on-chip static RAM. So on-chip static RAM may be used for the code and data storage. The SRAM may be accessed for a 8-bit and 16-bit and 32-bit. The LPC 2148, 414, 244 and 48 provide a 8 KB, 16 KB and 32 KB of static RAM. So LPC 2148, 46 and 48 only and 8 KB of SRAM blocked internet to be utilized mainly by the USB can also used as a general purpose RAM for the data storage and code storage execution. So these are all the memory map of ARM LPC 2148. It having AHB, ARM bus architectures and on-chip flash memory and reserved address bits. So these are all the having volatile and non-volatile memory. So the next one is interrupt controller. The vector interrupt controller VIC accepts of all the interrupts request inputs and categorizes them also fast interrupt request and vector interrupt request IRQ and non-vector interrupts to IRQ defined by the programmable settings. The programmable assignment scheme means that the priorities of interrupts from the various peripherals can be dynamically assigned and adjusted. The next one is the FIQ as high priority. If more than one request is assigned to the FIQ, the VIQ combines the request to produce a FIQ signal to the ARM processor. Possibly, the FIQ latency is achieved when the one services routines does not need branch into the interrupt service routine but can run the interrupt vector location. If more than one request is assigned to the FIQ class, the FIQ service routine will read a word from the VIC that identifies which FIQ sources requesting an interrupt. Okay, so in this class we have seen the LPC 2148 pin configurations and the interrupt vector sources. So in the following classes we are going to see about the pin connect block. Okay, thank you.